What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be talking about the flow of HTML. Now, before I do start this video, if you guys are finding this series helpful, please consider subscribing. And I hope you've been finding value off this. But without further ado, let's get right into this. So a browser will render the elements of an HTML document that has no CSS from left to right, top to bottom, in the same order as they exist in the document. This is called the flow of elements in HTML. In addition to the properties that it provides to style HTML elements, CSS includes properties that change how browser positions elements. These properties specify where an element is located on a page. If an element can share lines with other elements and other related attributes. In this lesson, we're going to learn the 5 properties for adjusting the position of HTML elements in the browser. So again, we'll know how to use the position, how to use the display, how to use the z-index, how to use the float, and the clear. So each of these properties will allow us to position and view elements on a web page. They can be used in conjunction with other styling properties you may know. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive deep into the first one, which is going to be position. So let's go ahead and take a look at the block level elements here. Block level elements like these boxes create a block the full width of their parents, and they prevent other elements from appearing in the same horizontal space, like so. Notice the block level elements in the image above take up their own line of space and therefore don't overlap each other. In the browser to the right, you can see the block elements also consistently appear on the left side of the browser. This is the default position for block elements. The default position of an element can be changed by setting its position property. The position property can take one of the 5 values. Static, which is the default value, it does not need to be specified. Relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. In the next few exercises, we're going to learn about the values in the list above. For now, it's important to understand if you favor the default position of an element, you don't need to set its position property. So in the style.css, add a declaration to the .question right here, and setting the position to static. Oops, there you go. This is because static, notice that the position to static does nothing because, again, static is the default, therefore nothing is going to change. So position is going to stay the same. Alright, so that's going to end this video. If you want to learn more about these in the upcoming videos, stay tuned. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one, and yeah, hope to see you be subscribed and in the next videos, and have a fantastic day, everyone.